Are you having fat-burning drinks at home to help you lose weight? If not, watch this video. Working out to lose fat? Check. Eating a healthier diet to lose fat? Check. But what about fat-burning drinks at home to help you lose fat? What if you could supercharge your fat loss, with a little help from easy-to-obtain drinks? These drinks will boost your metabolism, which will help you burn more fat, faster. Here is a list of 7 fat-burning drinks at home that you can include in your diet while you are on your weight reduction plan. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most common drinks that is associated with good health. It is packed with antioxidants and other essential nutrients that make it one of the most effective weight loss drinks. Green tea comprises high amounts of catechins that boost metabolism, leading to weight loss. The caffeine in green tea boosts your energy levels and provides you with the energy necessary while exercising. Green tea helps in lowering blood pressure and risks of developing diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. As per studies, people drinking green tea for about 12 weeks lose up to 7 pounds, 3.5 kilograms, more than people who don't drink green tea. Number 7. Coffee. It is one of the most popular and common drinks in the world. But did you know they are so full of health benefits? Coffee is the drink to have when you are down and have a headache and want to lift your mood. When you have to get something done, your favorite coffee comes to your rescue. That's because coffee contains high levels of caffeine that acts as a stimulant and boosts your energy levels. The additional benefit is that coffee gives a boost to your metabolism that helps you in your weight loss efforts as well. As per a study of 2,600 people were found to be more successful in maintaining their weight loss than groups with no caffeine. Number 6. Black tea. Tea is made by exposure of tea to air for longer periods, resulting in a stronger flavor and deeper color. Black tea is high in some extremely powerful antioxidant compounds known as polyphenols that may trigger a rapid weight loss. These polyphenols reduce the calorie intake, and stimulates the breaking down of fats. Tea boosts the growth of friendly bacteria in your body. A study of 111 people drinking 3 cups of black tea for 3 months, showed a drastic reduction in weight and waist measurement, to those that did not. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger is a popular spice that is used to add flavor to many dishes. This spice is also an herbal remedy for treating many conditions such as common cold, nausea, arthritis, etc. Studies on humans and animals alike have shown the greatest health benefits of this amazing root herb. Once added to your tea, the benefits increase manifold. Studies have shown that consumption of ginger gives a feeling of fullness and reduces calorie intake, thus promoting weight loss. Ginger also boosts the overall metabolism and enhances weight loss. Number 4. Protein-rich drinks. Protein-rich beverages can be an excellent addition or substitute for your normal diet. That's because these beverages make you feel full and satiated, thereby decreasing your appetite and promoting weight loss. Protein intake increases the levels of certain hormones such as GLP-1 that reduce hunger. It also decreases the level of ghrelin, which induces and increases appetite. As such, you can use them as shakes and a quick snack and stay full and satisfied. Nowadays you will find many protein powders that you can use to make your perfect fat-burning smoothie. As per studies, a group of 90 overweight people consuming whey protein were found to lose about 5 pounds, 2.3 kgs, more than those without protein. Number 3. Vegetable juice. While fruit juices can induce weight gain, consuming vegetable juices may trigger an effect that triggers weight loss. These juices give a full feeling when consumed and as such reduce your carbohydrate intake. Fewer carbs mean better fat-burning metabolism and better chances of weight loss. Combine the goodness of all your favorite vegetables and make your vegetable juice a healthy fat-burning juice. Studies have revealed that groups of people drinking 16 ounces of vegetable juice that is low in sodium along with a low-calorie diet lost a significant amount of weight than those not having vegetable juice. Number 2. Water. And finally, the most important omnipotent drink to have is water. Increasing the intake of water is the best way to improve your overall health. Drinking more water between your meals means that you are full and not hungry, thus keeping you from eating more than you need to. How to drink water to lose fat. Drinking a glass of water before your meal is the best way to prevent yourself from overeating. Moreover, drinking cold water increases the amount of energy your body expends while at rest, meaning more calories burned. Studies done with a group of 48 overweight people suggest that those drinking up to 500 milliliters of water before meals benefited greatly. Following a low-calorie diet, they lost up to 44% more weight than those not drinking water before meals. Number 1. Final takeaway. These fat-burning drinks at home will work the best along with your healthy diet and lifestyle. For they all complement each other. You can have more than one of these sorts of drinks, and benefit in multiple ways. The big winner is water, which can also be consumed with lemons, lime, mint. There is no substitute for consistent hard work and efforts, and following a weight reduction or program is no different. Carry on with your workout regime, follow a healthy diet, and these drinks will work wonders for you. So do let us know in the comments on what topics you want us to make our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative topics for your healthy life.